Oh, showtime. That was a weak start, but I promise I'm going to pull it back together. Here we are looking at the Yoder 640. I'm going to do a deep dive into this thing because I got to swap out an igniter, and if there's one way to tell the quality of a grill, it's to give it the bang test. Just like my college days.
Huh?
But in all honesty, you have to give it a good hit. It shows you the high grade steel that they put into these things, and as we tear this puppy apart, we're going to be able to see all the little spots in there. Pizza oven, great accessory if you like throwing pizza at the children. Oh, the only thing I got to say is it's heavy. With the pizza oven attachment, you get the great big heat plate replacement, and again, just massive gear. I'm a monster, but you can see it's an amazing piece of craftsmanship and solid piece of steel. And cool opportunity because I am swapping this igniter over with the one on the competition cart. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. There you go. Take that guy out. But you want to make sure this guy's clean. The airflow is all designed to flow through this guy. Of course, this is what catches all of your pellets. Take a good look at that guy. Just an amazing piece of craftsmanship. And again, you can see that gauge of steel there. Now, I got monster hands. Big sausage fingers, they say. So it's a little bit misleading, but you can tell. You can tell from the pitch. Ooh, beautiful. So here we are. Here's the igniter. What you want to do is reach up in there. Get a good shot in there. What you want to do is reach right up in there, and you see you get these little cables. And just give it a little tug. Don't want to pull too hard, because then you'll be calling the warranty division looking like an idiot.
Green is good, and green is good, and red is good, and yellow is good, and clip whatever you want.
Now who can tell me what he did wrong?
He made up a song about cutting wires?
He made up a song about cutting wires. Don't do that, guys.
Nice gentle tug. And there you go. Sorry for the heavy breathing. It's a little bit uncomfortable. My face is pressed against the side of the camera. I think we need two hands in here. Oh yeah, check that out. Let's see if I can do it with one hand.
A few moments later.
Look at that. I told you I was skilled. But here's our igniter here. Give it a little twisty poo. Try not to cut my hands apart.
2 hours later.
Now that I've climbed right inside the grill and had a blast doing it, I've removed the igniter so I know what I was doing wrong. The key with these things is to not try too hard.
The less you do, the more you do.
When you find the right spot, you just got to work at it until you get it. But getting down in here, back to the igniter, you just got to give it a gentle squeeze and a twist. And voila, here we are. Pulling the igniter out, and then you can see, look at that, you slide those wires right through that slot. And we have an igniter thingamajigger, and I'm not going to pull it out because I don't like doing that with one hand. But you can see the housing in there, just an awesome piece of gear. Everything they do through this grill is just incredible. How solid the gear is through and through. There's your probe there. Of course, you want to make sure that guy stays clean. 99.3% of your issues with your smoker are actually going to be with incorrect readings on your thermometer in the firebox. So I want to make sure this is free of soilage and keep it regularly cleaned. When I do mine, I actually get in there and just give it a good wipe down every time. But it really is that simple, and you're going to avoid most of your issues there. They have really dialed these grills into the cook and nothing but the cook. Like these grills, again, they're a one and done deal when you buy these things. And I'm going to show you while we're in here. We got some beautiful components. This is what you get when you get your Yoder smoker. box. My favorite. Some paperwork, and again, all the boys know exactly what to do with that. But you got your auger down in here. Again, you don't want to stick your finger in there because it'll tear them clean off like a sausage at a hockey game.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Rule number 1, don't put your penis anywhere you wouldn't put your fingers. Hang on a second. Don't put your fingers anywhere you wouldn't put your penis, or you'll be sure to lose them both. Something like that. Again, going back to my college days. But there you go. That's basically the rundown of the internals of the 640. Stay tuned for the hookup on the competition grill. And that's pretty much it. They're pretty straightforward.